This one is called the dog attacking the water. Shaking it off. Now he's going over there. Now let's see what she does. Oh, she's following me. This is a funny thing. Now let's walk over to my dad. He's very weird. Yes. Now I will take you over to my car, my mom's car. This is a good place to be. It's fun. Leo. And now I will take you down, down, down. Ow, it's slippery. It's a very slippery place. Okay, Leo's following me. Okay, I will go take you to my father. This is the barn. Leo, come on, buds. Come on. This is the barn. I'm videotaping, Dad. This is the barn. Oh, look it. Here comes the puppy into the barn. Now we will regale top freight. Regale top freight. Regale top freight. Regale top freight. Report damage now. Oh, look it. We can go explore over here. Now, this is a little thing I would call the woodcutter. Tractor. You can see, very cool. And this is the four-wheeler. This has tons of electrical stuff in here, which I'm not allowed to touch. Oh, I have no idea what that is. Okay, I'll take you on this tour of upstairs. This is the steps. The wooden steps. Okay, you saw the steps already. Shouldn't be up here, but la-da-dee. Let's walk over here. Tool. Greenhouse. My Boney's old cage. This is the garage door. See the garage door. This one, the garage door's down. You can see everything. Okay. I need to go back over here. Leo, no, what are you doing? See, this dog followed me up here. Come on, Leo. Okay. This is a tour. Come on. This is a tour. Still good. Ladders. Other four-wheelers. Some hanging chains. Leo, don't go back there. This chainsaw cutter. That is the end of my film. No, wait, no, it's not. We can go over here. Up and over. Look at this big pile of wood. Yeah, my dad's trailer has a lot of snow on it. My tram. I need Come on, we're running. Alright, ew. Okay, my dog pooping. Which is kind of gross, but why am I filming this? It's a really good film. As you can see the tree fort, kinda. The pool. Part of my house. The dog's poop. Let's just walk over here to see what Leo's going to do. Oh, my mom's car. Dad's car. Leo trying to poop again. Aha, Leo. No, back there. The tree fort. Now you can kind of see it. It's already finished. Mia, everything. Leo pooping. Did Leo's poop twice? Okay, so you can see the four-wheeler. I will take you back to my garage. Yeah, it's okay.
What?
This is my dad.
Hi. Where's Leo?
He's over there pooping. This is Mia's going inside. No one's taken inside. What? One second. Okay, take you back outside. Okay. I just had to let my dog out. Yeah, it scared him. Yeah. We take you back over to my dad's workbench. Dad, what is this thing? This thing.
Grinder.
This is a grinder. Some shop towels, a cupboard, some really weird stuff. I have no idea what they're called. This little loop-de-doo thing. Some rags, some spray, an umbrella, some stretchy things, a Noah's Ark statue, some paddles, and that's my dad's thing. This is his four-wheeler, and I take you back to my dog, Mia.